If you watched the last two episodes, you've seen this bar before. It closed them both, a ribbon of color sliding from violet and cyan into warm amber and teal. Today, it's the star. Because this one ribbon is a map of every chemical bond there is, and its secret is this: bonds don't come in a few separate types, they come in a spectrum. Let's read that spectrum 4 times, each time a little deeper. First, the big idea. We've told you 2 stories. In ionic bonds, one atom takes an electron outright. In covalent bonds, 2 atoms share. It's tempting to sort every bond into one box or the other. But nature doesn't file things into boxes. Perfectly equal sharing and a complete handover are just the 2 ends of a single line. And almost every real bond lives somewhere in between. So forget 3 types. Picture one continuous line, even sharing at one end, a total transfer at the other, and a smooth slide connecting them. Ionic and covalent aren't opposites. They're neighbors on the same scale. Now, how it really works? What decides where a bond falls on that line? A single property called electronegativity, how strongly an atom pulls on the electrons in a bond. Fluorine pulls the hardest, the metals on the left pull the weakest. Take the difference in electronegativity between the 2 atoms. Call it delta En. That number is the dial. It's the one knob that slides a bond along the whole spectrum. When delta En is near 0, the 2 atoms pull equally and share evenly. When it's large, one atom wins the tug of war so completely that it simply takes the electron. Same physics, just turned up or down. Finally, let's go deeper. Chemists mark rough thresholds along the dial. Below about 0.4, the bond is essentially non-polar, even sharing. From there up to about 1.7, it's polar, shared, but lopsided. Above 1.7, we call it ionic, and the lines between them are blurry on purpose. Here's the deepest truth. No bond is 100% ionic. Using Linus Pauling's electronegativity scale, we can estimate a bond's percent ionic character. And even sodium chloride, the textbook ionic salt, comes out only around 70%. Ionic is just the far end of the covalent spectrum, not a separate kingdom. From 2 videos that looked like opposites to a single sliding scale. One line, understood at 4 depths. Sharing, transfer, and everything between aren't 3 different bonds. They're one idea, read at different settings of the same dial.